Every profession has its set of rules and regulations. For masonry contractors, licensing and registration are crucial to ensure quality, safety, and trustworthiness. Let's dive into the essentials. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Let's begin by understanding the general distinction between licensing and registration. Licensing often pertains to a demonstration of skill and adherence to specific industry standards. Registration, on the other hand, is more about being listed or recognized officially by an authority. Now, on to the specifics for masonry contractors. Masonry contractors often require a state-specific contractor license. Each state in the U.S. has its regulations and requirements. Generally, a contractor must pass a business and law exam, as well as a trade-specific exam, to qualify for this license. Did you know that according to a recent survey, 70% of states in the U.S. require masonry contractors to have a state-issued license? This showcases the importance placed on skill and knowledge in the industry. Beyond the state license, many cities or counties might have additional local licensing requirements. It's essential for contractors to check with their local municipality. Next, let's discuss bonds and insurance. Many states require masonry contractors to hold specific types of insurance, like liability and workers' compensation. Additionally, bonding can be a requirement, acting as a financial guarantee for the client. A study found that on average, masonry contractor insurance claims can range from $20,000 to $60,000 for incidents related to property damage or injuries. It underscores the importance of having adequate coverage. Registration with the state is often a prerequisite for masonry contractors, especially if they operate as a limited liability company or a corporation. This registration provides a record of the business's existence and its adherence to state regulations. For those looking to stand out in the masonry profession, there are various voluntary certifications and affiliations. For instance, some associations offers unique certification for masonry contractors, emphasizing continued education and expertise. Recently, it was found that only about 30% of masonry contractors held additional certifications beyond the mandatory licensing. This indicates an opportunity for professionals to differentiate themselves. Remember, licensing and registration are not just about compliance. They are about ensuring that masonry contractors are qualified, trustworthy, and dedicated to the highest standards of their craft. If you're considering a career in masonry or hiring a contractor, understanding these requirements is essential. For help with licensing and registration, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the requirements for masonry contractors? Are there too many requirements for your liking? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.